My name is Jörg Faltin. I'm the head of R&D and product management at Webasto Marine in Germany. Today I'd like to present you here at the METS in Amsterdam 2016 Webasto's latest innovative product range of air handlers, the A-Series. Here you see, for example, the low profile unit. It is an extremely low profile design which allows you to install the air handler in an upper area of the boat or in very flat spaces where you could not install a conventional compact model. These models, like all of them, have very nice vibration absorbers installed, and you can install this one either standing or hanging up from a ceiling. On these models we have cooling capacities from 6,000 up to 18,000 BTUs, and of course they also come with the instant drain condensate management and also with the remote bleeder as a standard. They also can be upgraded with a flow control valve, and of course you can connect on these also an electric duct heater to have a more independent electric heating when needed. This model we call the Slimline. It is a very slim design and particularly made to be installed near the hull of the boat behind the furniture. Therefore it is extremely narrow at the bottom and a bit wider at the top because it will still fit into the curvature of the hull. These models also come with a capacity range from 6,000 up to 18,000 BTU. They have a very powerful blower and of course the remote bleeder as a standard like all models. From the three different models we have, this is a compact model. It is very compact and lightweight, and what you see is that we have reduced the condensate tray to a minimum. This allows us to have an instant drain condensate management. We achieve that by having the condensate drain with 30-degree angles and a positive flow to one of the two outlets. This allows us to drain the condensate in all conditions. Even when the boat is heeling or we have abrupt movements of the boat, there is no more condensate water splashing out of the tray and damaging your valuable furniture in the boat. To achieve that instant drain condensate management, we also have added side plates to the unit, so that even when the air handler is moving to the side, we have no water dripping besides the tray onto the floor as well. The blowers are of course rotatable. We allow up to 6 different positions, even positions towards the bottom, since we have reduced the tray so much that you can rotate the blower to the bottom. The compact models, like all A-Series, have a standardized water connection so that it's easy to upgrade them with the flow control valve by simply screwing that onto these connectors. That flow control valve allows you to direct the water flow to the air handlers or stop it in a bypass loop. You do that to increase the comfort in your boat eventually, because you could, for example, leave the blowers running in a constant speed so that you don't have on-off operations of the blower. Also, it helps you to direct the water flow to those cabins where you need the energy. And it also has a big benefit for those air handlers which are switched off. You have no more chilled water running through the heat exchangers. This means you have no condensate on the fins of the heat exchangers, and this reduces risk of mold building up on the unused heat exchangers. This year at METS 2016 we're launching a new innovative user interface for the whole BlueCool family. We call it Webasto MyTouch. It is actually a full color touchscreen user interface. It is very easy to use and intuitive to understand. In the start screen, for example, we always show temperature and blower. This is what people will typically want to adjust in their cabins. You easily do this by clicking, for example, on the temperature and increasing or decreasing the set value. The system will automatically understand whether it needs to heat or cool, of course. Regarding the blower operation, we have up to 5 manual modes and of course an automatic no-more bloat as well, which you can easily activate by a push of a button. On this MyTouch we have introduced a number of different customization options which are easily selectable by the customer. For example, it comes with a timer. You can of course set the brightness of the display. It comes with up to 10 languages. so that we can give messages in clear text, and it allows to select up to 6 different designs of the user interface. And in order to cope with different light conditions, we allow you to select a white or a black background, depending on your installation situation. What you can also do is to upload an individual picture to be used as a standby screen. So, for example, you could choose a picture of your boat or the name of the boat, something you'd like to see when the user interface goes into standby mode. The MyTouch also allows a technician to go into parameter modes. So you can set all the parameters of the air conditioning system via that user interface. And it is very easy to set those parameters because they are displayed in full text in 10 languages. So adapting the system to the individual application constraints is a very easy task. The MyTouch gives you a full failure history in case you want to diagnose if there's something wrong with the air conditioning system.